Hi Charlie.
Hi.
This is Charlie. He's my #1 mechanic and helps me with all the stuff that I don't know what I'm doing. What are we doing today, Charlie?
Swapping the boot over because the other one's already been smoothened out, so it saves doing it to this one.
Could probably do this, but he's just decided to do it, so I'm just going to let him get on with it.
Is it nice?
Yeah, you are nice. Just off to collect my new boot. New, it's old. It's older than the red one. No, it's not actually. Here we go. One boot. This might be a two-hand job. Tried to get my boot out and apparently I was carrying it stupidly, so someone else
dropped it.
I didn't drop it, I just
You
chucked
did
it on the
drop
floor. I'm sure it's nearly as long as me. This is my shitty Honda and this is Charlie's not shitty Honda. My excuse for not doing the boot is because I still don't know where my phone tripod is, so someone needs to hold the camera.
Is that?
Yep.
You can hold that with one hand then, can't you?
Helping. Oh! Thought it was gone then. One boot gone with barnacles. To be fair, if I was doing this on my own, I'd probably drop it on the rear windscreen and smash it.
You definitely would, yeah. And then you certainly would be fine to help. I replaced one back window on my one. I don't really want to do another one.
Was it not fun?
No. Traveled 4 hours in the rain to go pick it up. I took it out with a butter knife because my tool broke.
A butter knife?
Yeah. Well, my window removal tool had broke when I got there. I got halfway through it and then it broke, and then the guy just looked at me and was like, "What do you want to do?" And I said, "Well, have you got anything I can take it off with?" And then he brought me a butter knife. That's all they had. It was in the rain.
So what? Did you manage to like get it off this like metal like bit?
Yeah,
here?
I pulled all these trims pull off, but then I had to cut all the sealant with the knife.
Oh, okay.
So yeah, wasn't very fun.
Rather you than me. This is slowly turning into a blackish car, one panel at a time. What?
Good to paint it black.
Well, I don't know. Well, that's if you can make your mind up, because one minute you're selling it, one minute you're not.
Yeah, I know.
He's terrible. My initial plan was to do it black, but at the time, you had your Civic, which was black and chromey, and I thought it would be too matchy-matchy.
I guess so.
I wonder if this person is just going to have this, literally their dirty laundry on YouTube. Quite funny. What are we doing?
Trying to get this in.
Oh wait, I've got to move the boot. Car coming. I can get better angles when I'm not just leaving the phone propped up everywhere.
Straight in my face. The only problem that we've got is we didn't bring your JDM plate recess.
Oh,
So we're not going to have a plate recess today.
that's at home.
Yeah.
I have a theory.
Danger.
My theory is that you're helping me right now because you don't want to be inside the unit working on a customer's car. Tell me I'm wrong.
I just like working on Hondas. I'm not a Honda.
Fair enough.
Do you want to pull your boot lever and just see if this works?
Helping.
Look at that again.
It's not doing anything. It's like no tension there.
Because the boot wasn't shut.
Oh, that makes sense.
Do you want to pull your lever again? So I mean that works, just...
I certainly can.
I'll just adjust the latch, so I think the boot's alright.
Okay. Every time I look in here and I look at this, I think, no rust.
You're not the one who's going to do it anyway.
Yeah, I know, but I don't like to be a pain in your butt, so.
So you bought the biggest piece of shit in the world.
In my defence, I was just going to buy a gearbox. you suggested it was a good idea to buy the whole car.
Yeah, I did.
There we go. Got it as evidence now. They're both a lot of work, but this is less work.
Yeah, pretty much, yeah. Whether this latch isn't very good.
I've got an idea. I was about to suggest, why don't we take the latch off the red boot and put it on the black boot?
The reason I didn't want to do that is because the latch works on the black one, but I will do that.
But it's not working now.
Not lined up.
Oh, okay.
I think I will swap the latches over. Because look, see, it's fine. And then pull your lever. Well, if you watch that, I'll pull your lever.
Wait. Oh, I won't quite focus, but okay, yeah, I did sort of skip. What?
It's a swap and
He said this off camera and I just wanted to make sure I got it on camera.
I said swapping boots can be a pain, which is why I wanted to help you swap the boots. Is that
Thanks. Okay? Yeah, that's fine. Perfect.
Why was that so important?
I just don't want people to think that I'm not doing anything. I'm trying.
You're not.
I'm not right now, no. It's actually really nice. Can I do this every day? Jokes. He's got other stuff to do.
You will be soon. When
Yeah.
it's inside the unit.
I mean, soon. I'm going to learn, though. I want him to teach me how to weld, but I don't think he's keen. I'm also adamant that I want to learn to paint because Brandon has shown me once how to paint and I would like to at least prime the car.
Also not keen.
I at least want to prime it. Prime it that's easy.
Tits up, I'm the one who has to fix it.
But you don't learn without trying.
No, you're right.
Comment on the video if you think Charlie should teach me to weld and paint.
I'm going to anyways. I don't even know why I'm denying.
Wait, you've got a tufty here.
Yeah, I've got better.
Yeah, it's got a better.
I don't care about my looks. I've come here to work.
Yeah, but boys are lucky. Boys don't have to put makeup on. They just already have nice skin and really long curly eyelashes.
Yeah, but you put makeup on, come to the unit and get a dirty face.
I put makeup on because I've got to put my face on YouTube in 4K for people to see.
My face is on YouTube too.
Yeah, but your skin's nice.
I literally had an operation like 2 days ago.
This is very
Tell
true.
me about looking nice.
I would say let's show YouTube your throat, but maybe we shouldn't do that.
We shouldn't do that.
He should be at home resting, but he won't.
I've got stuff to do.
Apparently these bolts look prettier.
Well, they do. Look.
Oh wait, focus. It's not working. I can't, it won't.
Well, I can assure you.
Oh, the sun's coming out. What a lovely day. Sort of. It's a bit wet underfoot though.
You have to borrow my mat, wouldn't you?
Keep meaning to buy myself one.
I thought your dad one, didn't buy yourself one.
I'll put one on my Amazon wish list.
You and I go on there.
Nope. I make content fully clothed. Someone did say they wanted to see me wash this though. I don't know if that was a bit dodgy. You'll wash it?
Yeah.
You could do like a Jessica Simpson in that music video and get all sudsy on the bonnet for me. I would actually like to give this a clean, but I just...
Can't be bothered.
Well, I can't be bothered because of how... I mean...
It needs to be cleaned before it comes in the unit.
Yeah, I know. Well, I cleaned the boot, which... I mean, it's now there, so that was actually quite pointless of me.
I told you this.
It just looked prettier for a week. Great success.
Cool.
What's upset me a little bit is today I haven't said first things first yet.
This is me doing the first thing.
I know. It's normally my catchphrase. Look how pretty and blue the sky is today. It's so blue. You make me laugh.
What do you want to do?
Oh, I have that one.
You have the number plate of this? Or no?
Yeah, actually take that off.
Well, but it won't fit.
I know, but I feel like I need to have a number plate on it somewhere. At least if they got a number plate, it's traced back to me. So they, if anyone takes it away, then they can tell me that they've put it in a fucking scrapyard. Thanks. Wingless! So now the boot is on, the next thing to do is I need to turn the car around so I can put the wing and get the sill off the other side. But we need friends to assist.
I'm ill. I can't push it.
So we'll have to wait for Jay and Brandon. So for now, the people are going to get what they've asked for. When I say people, I mean one person. And we're going to try wash it.
With my £15 pressure washer.
With a £15 portable pressure washer. that doesn't plug into a water supply. Well, we've lost some of the lacquer peel and the algae, but we do also have chunks of lacquer that have just come off. Clean. Ish. Do you think your lacquer peel's bad? Then look at this. Next task is pump tyres up so I can turn the car around and get to the other side. As my car is dead, I need the tech. Oh, dropped it. Take our support vehicle. What I hoped to do today was to turn the Prelude round so that I could park the other way and take the passenger sill off and the passenger front wing and then put my black front wing on. However, me and Charlie rolled the car back from the space it was in to the space behind just to clear up some of the dirt that was underneath, like bolts and bits of broken glass from my old broken headlights and stuff. And then we went inside the unit and we came back out, and this big old van was parked very close. So there's not really a whole lot of room to now move the car around, considering that to be pushed. So we just ended up staying inside the unit with Brandon and Jay and just doing bits in there. So haven't actually really done that much today other than get the boot on and actually give it a bit of a clean. So yeah, I feel like this is probably, I don't even know if this is going to be a whole video on its own. I'll see you in the next one if not.